Good morning everyone and welcome to my first vlog. I've been wanting to do a vlog for so long, but just thought I would be doing it in the new year. But I felt that it would be so nice to kind of chronicle this really strange, unusual Christmas that I'll be having. It's my first time by myself. So yeah, I'm still here in Toronto. I'm usually in either Baltimore, where my cousin and my aunt are, or Winnipeg, where I'm from with my family. So it's the first time being alone and in Toronto, but I'm really excited today because I have so many things lined up. I actually have a Christmas Zoom brunch with my family in about 45 minutes, and I'm going to be cooking a traditional Ghanaian meal for the first time. I usually celebrate Christmas in more of a Trini way. That's how I was raised. I spent part of my life in Trinidad as well, and I know how to cook mostly Trinidadian cuisine. So this is my first time actually making anything Ghanaian. So I'm really excited. I'm making Jollof. I'm making oven baked tilapia. I have some miko in the fridge that I made yesterday, some hot sauce. And I'm going to be making some shito in the new year because that takes so long. But right now I'm just kind of enjoying the vibe. So I've actually been up since about 5 o'clock this morning. I don't know why. And I watched this random movie on Netflix and then got my act together, took a shower, did my hair, makeup, all that. But right now I'm just kind of, vibing out to some Christmas carols. It actually snowed, so I went to sleep and woke up to snow, which I love because where I'm from, which is Winnipeg, the snow by this time, lots and lots of snow. And here in downtown Toronto, it doesn't really stay if it does snow, but I'm just so happy we had a white Christmas because it usually feels really strange when it's not. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for this Christmas breakfast with my family. I'm going to be having Belgian waffles and fresh fruit with some tea. And again, like, this whole Christmas is so different because for breakfast I traditionally have, saltfish, fry bake, some sorrel, some Trini grapefruit juice, like a ham, fresh baked bread. Like, it's that whole production. So we're scaling it back a little bit, but I think it'll be kind of nice to do something different and to kind of enjoy some me time during Christmas. So I'm taking you all with me and I hope you like it. So right now I'm just vibing to some music. I can't play it for you guys because we're not trying to get copyrighted over here, but I'm playing some Christmas carols from my Spotify playlist. So it's right here, some Tiffany Evans, but I love Destiny's Child, like the Destiny's Child Christmas album. Oh my god, it's just a classic. Even like In Sync from back in the day, but like I'll hear it in the store and I'll literally just start jamming out. Like, I just love it. It's in the best mood. And even though this year is a little bit strange, a little bit different, and of course, like, it's just gonna be me, I will always love Christmas. I will always do things to make myself happy on Christmas, and I'll always celebrate and have the music playing and do all the traditional things that I've learned to do. So if you're alone, I know right now it's a little bit different, but celebrate in your own kind of way, make it yours, and hopefully it's the last Christmas where it's gonna be like this. So just kind of be in the moment, be present, and just be in on all your feels, but also don't forget to reach out to your loved ones and just surround yourself with love today. That's what Christmas is all about. So if you're alone, I'm sending you all my love because I'm alone too. Don't let it stop you from celebrating Christmas and making it a really happy one and a really beautiful one. And I wish you guys all the best today. And yeah, that's my little Christmas message for you guys. So, shocker, my family is running late for our brunch. So I'm pretty much done making everything I need to make. I'm just having my waffles here. I have my tea, and I forgot to get carnation milk for my tea, so I'm just gonna have some oat milk. And then I guess since I have some extra time, I'm just gonna make some eggs because I have some eggs in the fridge. I hope they're still good. I got them like a week ago, so I hope they're still good, and hopefully my family will be ready in the next 15 minutes because I'm starving. It's almost noon, minutes to noon. Wow, it's minutes to noon. The day is flying by, and I still have a full day ahead of me in the kitchen, you guys. Like, Ghanaian food is so good, but it's so good for a reason. It's because there's so many, like, it takes so long to prepare, to marinate, to get everything together. So I did a little bit of prep last night. I have my tilapia in the fridge, and I have my hot sauce ready. I have, what else do I have? I have my beef marinating because I'm making beef jollof, and I have my pots on the stove here already, ready to go, because I like to just be a little bit organized. Like, I don't like to be frazzled in the kitchen, like searching for things. So I just put it aside right here. I also am a little bit limited for space because my place is a little bit smaller. And then, yeah, I have my plantain here, peppers, essential. I might make kelewele. I'm not sure. I might just make it regular way, but I'm thinking about making kelewele, but it's gonna take a while to make all these dishes, so we will see. But yeah, I'm very excited for this Christmas menu. I'm so excited to have the jollof and the tilapia because I haven't had it in like years, in a really long time. And I'm actually following Nanaba's kitchen. I'm following her video and her recipe, so I'm really excited. So if you see the video and you happen to follow her, just let her know. Let her know I'm checking for her because otherwise your girl will be lost in this kitchen over here. So let her know, and when I'm done, I'll kind of follow up with her too and let her know how it went. But yeah, just give her a shout out for me. Pass the message along. And yeah, this looks so good. Like, I love Belgian waffles. And I just heated up some berries and strawberries and raspberries in the microwave. You could also put on the stove. You could add some little bit of sugar to it, but the Belgian waffles on their own are very sweet. They're like sugared waffles. And yeah, I'm just gonna start on these eggs and do the Zoom breakfast with my fam. And then I'll circle back with you guys when we get down in this kitchen. Update, you guys, update. Breaking news, the eggs are still good. They expire in January. All is well in the world. I'm about to cook my sunny side up because I love sunny side up eggs, and I like scrambled eggs too, but I don't have any milk, and I like to add milk and a little bit of butter in the pan. I just want to be the same without milk. So I'm gonna make sunny side up eggs, a little bit of pepper, like black pepper on top, and then some Ghanaian pepper sauce on the side with my Belgian waffles. It's gonna be so good. Guys, so breakfast is ready, but shocker, my family is not. So I'm gonna show you what I made for our brunch today. So I finished my eggs, nothing crazy, some Himalayan salt and pepper. I have my Belgian waffles, I have my Earl Grey tea, some sugar here, oat milk. I'm so starving, and every Christmas is the same thing. If I was normally with my family, like, we wouldn't be eating Christmas dinner until like 9 o'clock at night, and breakfast is like 1. It's because everyone always runs late. So I saw this coming, but I was like, maybe because we're not all together it'll be a little bit different, but no. And you guys, I went to bed with no snow on the ground, and I woke up to like a winter wonderland. I love when snow is on the ground. Like, I don't want to show you guys because you'll know exactly where I live, but it's just like a white Christmas. I love a white Christmas, and it looks so beautiful outside. So yeah, that makes me happy. And right now, you guys, I'm listening to Spotify and all the new Christmas carols, and Eric Bellinger's Christmas album, like, It's a bop. It's actually a bop. Like, I really love it. I've been listening to that. I've been listening to, of course, Destiny's Child. Classic, classic. Who else did I really like? I had some Faith Evans in there on the playlist. That's probably my family right now, updating me. But yeah, I'm loving this Eric Bellinger Christmas album. There's a song called Kisses on Christmas that I really like, that I played at least like 5 times today already. Oh, it's so dark. Sorry. So yeah, there's a song called Kisses on Christmas that I played like 5 times already today. This one, definitely I'll check it out for next Christmas. But it's just like some nice R&B, the little, you know, a little vibe to it. I always like that. It could be like on the radio, but it's not because it's a Christmas song. But yeah, if you're listening to, what are you listening to today? I want to know for next Christmas. I want to know what you guys listen to. Do you listen to carols? Do you listen to gospel music? Like, what are you guys listening to on Christmas? And what are you guys eating? I want to know in the comments. Let me know what you guys are eating for Christmas breakfast, for Christmas dinner. Where are you from? Drop some flags below. Yeah, just join in on this Christmas day with me. So I've just finished my Zoom call with the fam. It is now almost 3 p.m. and I'm so scared for myself because I'm running so late and starting to cook. Our Zoom call was almost 2 hours. 2.5 hours actually, but it was so good. I got to meet my brother's new girlfriend. I got to catch up with my family that spread out across North America. So it was just so nice to see everybody and see everyone doing well, healthy, happy. So we're gonna do another Zoom session on New Year's Day, but we're just catching up and talking about, you know, just family traditions and just making our new ones. So it was just, yeah, it was just so nice to see everybody. And man, I'm gonna be in the kitchen forever. Literally forever. I'm so nervous about this. Again, it's my first time making any of these dishes, and I know I'm in good hands because I have the video with Mr. Naba, so I could always, you know, like rewind it and replay. But I really I feel like I'm putting pressure on myself to make sure this is perfect because this does mean a lot to me. I know you guys don't know very much about me just yet, and I would love to do in the future like a get to know me video, but I was raised super Trini. My mom's side of the family is from Trinidad, which I was raised with, and I also lived in Trinidad for 2 years, went to school there when I was younger. And my grandmother just really I can't even talk. She really emphasized, you know, getting to know my culture. So I would play in the steel band, do folk dancing, just really get involved in my community. She was very involved with our community. So that part of my heritage is very much a part of me. So in the last 3 years, I've really gotten to know my Ghanaian side. I don't speak Tree, but I went to Ghana for the first time in 2018, and that really just set off a chain of events in me really trying to find that side of my culture and get to know it. And yeah, just meeting people from Ghana. I didn't grow up with any Ghanaian or African people for that matter. When I grew up, I was mostly surrounded by Caribbean people in my hometown. So for me, this is like, I feel like I'm putting extra pressure because it's like that important to me. Like, I'm a Ghanaian woman. Like, I need to know these things. So, I mean, if you're watching this, if I'm doing something wrong, you know, just please, you know, just point me in the right direction. Don't be judgmental. Like, just put in the comments if there's most likely gonna need some improvement. So just, you know, just put in the comments like what I should be doing. I know there's certain tools that I'm missing. I was making Meko, and I didn't have an Asanka bowl, so there's that. There's certain things that I'm learning, but to all my Ghanaian ladies, if you could point me in the right direction, it's much appreciated because I'm really enjoying getting to know this side of my heritage. So the adventure begins. It is, like I said, almost 3 o'clock. I would really love to get some pictures by my Christmas tree. But I'm just like, am I even gonna have time for this? Like, I feel like I should just be an imposter and do it tomorrow, but I really want to capture, literally document everything and how today's going, and just like remember this crazy Christmas, this crazy year. So I think I might just take a quick one to just do a few pictures, nothing crazy, and in maybe about 20 minutes just start getting to this tilapia and beef jollof rice. Guys, I'm so excited. It's gonna be a lot of food for just one person. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, so we're back. I've changed out of my PJs and we are in the kitchen. We're fully trying to make this marinade for my tilapia. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is just for the tilapia marinade, you guys. Like, I'm gonna separate the vegetables from the oil and blend it up and then put it on the fish and have it sit for an hour, and then, oh my god, it's gonna be so good. So I'm just roasting the vegetables for the marinade right now, and then while my tilapia is marinating, I'm gonna start the jollof, which is another 10-step process. But you guys, if you could smell what this smells like it's just, oh, heavenly. So I really hope this turns out because I'm getting hungry just smelling all of this. Alright guys, so it is after 8. I've been in the kitchen for 4 hours straight, no breaks, and I'm finally finished my dinner, my Christmas dinner, my grilled oven grilled tilapia. Can you guys see? Oven grilled tilapia. My jollof rice, it came out so well. I was so worried and it was looking a little, I don't know, for the first little part, but it actually turned out really nice. So shout out to Nanapa's Kitchen and to Emma's Kitchen. Emma's Kitchen is the video that I looked at for the jollof. So thank you to Emma's Kitchen as well. And yeah, you guys, this is it for now. About to eat, I'm starving. You know what, before I go, I had to hand it to Ghanaian women because I've never cooked like this before. I cook Trini food all the time, but the labor it took to make all the flavors and aromatics and prep for the jollof rice and even for the tilapia and marinating and grilling the vegetables, then blending it, then putting on the fish, then there's so many processes, and food is so amazing, but it's very time consuming and a labor of love. So shout out to all the Ghanaian women who are putting it down in the kitchen every day, because it's definitely not easy. My stepmom, I remember not growing up, but whenever I go visit my dad, she'd have, meals every other day, fresh meals like this. So shout out to you guys holding it down in the kitchen, because your girl is exhausted. So I'm just gonna go and enjoy this dinner. I heard Power Book 2 is back, so I think I might watch that for a little bit. I'm so oily and greasy, you guys. I've really been in the kitchen just slaving. So yeah, I'll probably report back before bed. It's still pretty early, so I will see where the night goes. Okay, bye guys.